The death of Gumbursa. The death of Gumbursa fathers Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora was one of the most tragic and defining moments in the Philippine history. So, on February 17, 1872, they were executed by Garrote at Bagumbayan, falsely accused of leading the Cavite Mutiny. This horrific scene was said to have been witnessed by a young Jose Rizal, leaving a deep mark on his mind. Rizal would later dedicate his novel El Filibusterismo to their memory. Although the martyrdom of Gomburza ignited the flames of Filipino nationalism, it awakened the collective desire among Filipinos to seek justice, equality, and independence from Spanish oppression. Next is unveiling the truth. To understand how this tragedy came to be, we must look at the root causes first. The abolishment of privilege given to the native army and arsenal workers caused major dissatisfaction among Filipinos. Then, second, Governor Gerald Izquierdo implemented strict and unfair policies which stirred among resentment among the people. Third is, instead of investigating the real cause of the Cavite Mutiny, the Spanish central government hastily relied on biased reports from Governor Izquierdo and the PRs. This led to the wrongful accusation and eventual execution of the three prize. Part 2 of the Unraveling the Truth. The PRs' influence began to weaken in 1872 when the Spanish central government decided to remove their authority to manage coups and intervene in government affairs to protect their power. Then, the PRs acted desperately to maintain their control. Meanwhile, Filipino priests, including Father Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora, lead the movement for secularization, the right for the Filipino clergy to take charge of their own parishes. This campaign threatened the PRs' dominance, the Spanish, making the three priests targets of suspicion. When the Cavite Mutiny occurred, the PRs took advantage of it to silence those who advocate for reform. So lastly, the mistake that changed history. Ultimately, the execution of Gumbursa was a grave mistake by the Spanish authorities. So instead of quelling dissent, it fueled Filipino resistance. The injustice enraged many Filipinos, inspiring a new generation of patriots to demand change. The martyrdom of these priests gave birth to the Filipino nationalities movement, a Philippines revolutionary of 1896, and eventually the country's Independence Day. Conclusion of the whole story. There are many accounts of what happened in 1872, but one thing remains certain: the execution of Gumbursa and the Cavite community greatly influenced the rise of Filipino nationalism. These tragic events reminded Filipinos of the importance of unity, courage, and the fight for justice. Although their deaths were unjust, Gumbursa's legacy continues to inspire generations to value freedom, stand up for their rights. Today, they sacrifice their lives in the hearts of Filipino people, a symbol of resilience, faith, and the undying spirit of independence. That's all for today.